Athletics Kenya top brass Asaya Kiplagat, his vice chairman David Okeo, and IAAF council member Joseph Kinyua have been shown the door. The trio have been suspended for 6 months as investigations continue over subversion of the anti-doping control process in the country and allegations of Nike funds misappropriation.
Athletics Kenya chairman Isaiah Kiplagat, his deputy David Okeo, and former treasurer Joseph Kinyua have been suspended for 6 months. Athletics World Governing Body is looking into allegations of subversion of the anti-doping process in Kenya and improper diversion of funds received from Nike. The suspension begins immediately. Reports indicate that apart from the chairman subverting the doping process, IAAF is also investigating him in relation to alleged receipt of an apparent gift of 2 motor vehicles from the Qatari Association of Athletics. This happened between 2014 and 2015, according to the report. AK Vice Chair David Okeo, who is also an IAAF member, is accused of siphoning funds from a sponsorship deal between the National Association and American sportswear firm Nike. He has vehemently denied any wrongdoing, even as pressure was mounting that the two step aside. There's been demonstrations from a section of the athletics community for radical changes at the AK headquarters. In a letter to newsrooms, the chairman of the IAAF Ethics Commission, Michael Belov, says they have suspended the three from Monday, 30th November, pursuant to powers conferred to them. Ethics Commission has appointed Sharad Rao as an investigator. Hassan Juma, KTN Sports.